If you want certain contents to appear time and again in different pages, you can use something called headers and footers. So over here I got a page and you can see that it is blank. I'm just gonna add in a new page, so I'm gonna insert page right here, and let's say I want to insert around 7 pages, not 6 or 7, just 7 pages right here. There you go. I'm gonna convert this into facing pages, so this is gonna be 2-page spread just like this, and you can see that it is here. And in each of one, I want to add in header and footer, which is actually similar. So in order to do that, I can go into my insert tab, and over here you can see that there's header. If I were to click this, you can see that I go on to my master page, and there I can type in a header. So I can say this is TutorTube publication tutorial publisher tutorial. Alright, there you go. So I'm gonna bold this out just like this. I can give it a bit of a formatting by going on to my text box tools right here, choosing a bit of a format just like this. Alright, there you go. So choose a bit of format just like this, just like that. And I can do the same for the footer, and everything you edit becomes edited in the master page. So let us just close the master page, and you can see that it is now appearing in all of the pages just like this. You can also do the same with the footer. So I can go over here, and then I can go into my master page. I'm going to go into page design. Let me just insert a footer over here as well. And over here, I can see that this is the footer. So this is the tutorial. Let me just center align this out, Control B, and center align this out from the text box tools, just like this. So I'm going to center align this by clicking here, and there you go. There's the tool right here, and I'm going to close it. So this is the master page and the header and footer, just like that. As you can see, it has been applied to all of the pages. You can also go over there and work with master pages to make a different alignment. For example, let's say I'm going to go into edit master pages. There's the A master page. I'm going to add in a master page right here, 2-page master page, and here I can work with separate headers and footers just like that. So over here, let's just go over here and show header and footer. And for this, I'm going to use the same design. Alright, so I copied that out. So header and footer, paste this out. This is on the left. And over here, I'm going to align this to the right. So I'm going to go into my text box format, going to the top right. Over here on the bottom, so I'm going to post this one out. So this is a tutorial. I'm going to Control A, Control C, and I'm going to go over here, do a Control V. I'm going to left align this one. And for this one, I'm going to right align it just like that. And so now what I can do is I can simply close the master page right here. So I'm going to go into my file. I'm going to go over here onto the master page, close the master page. And then that has not been applied because I haven't applied the master page. So I'm simply going to select all 3 of these, and I'm going to assign the master page B to it. And you can see that that is how you can assign individual master pages to different pages just like that, and utilize the header and footer. So this is how you can utilize the header and footer inside of Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.